From the last 6 months, I have been continuously practicing this language, English. And you know what? I started in June month. I practicing every single day. If I tell you about my real story. When did I started this language? When did I started learning this language? It would be around 2021. Because when you start consuming content and when you start passionate about this language, that time you start your journey. So that in back 2021 I started watching English related content or English people, native speakers you can say, and they are talking in very good manner, and I was like, wow, yeah, they are so good. And now I have been watching that time. So I tell you guys, yeah, I have learned so many things that I am getting to tell you in this video, and that would be more better for you. So make sure you watch it till the end, or if you are new here, so welcome. My name is Alina. So I am here. My real life experience related self-improvement, English or speech reality and everything. So if you are new here, watch it till the end. And if you find this video valuable, please hit the subscribe button. So my story started in June 2023 when I start doing practice every single day about this language English. To be honest, I don't like to read grammatically things, or I don't like to read big paragraph of in this language like subject, because I'm not fond of study so many things, and whatever that time I didn't know grammatical things and so many things. I don't know how to speak continuously, how was I able to speak in this language. I don't know about what is noun, what is pronoun, what is verb or adverb or adjective. I don't know about that things at that time. But yeah, to be honest, I don't know, but I was using. I started using these words, this kind of structure, and by the time when I started June months, yeah, I remember properly. I narrating all day long, every single day I narrating. What I'm doing, what was I doing, and what was happening at my home that time. I was narrating. When I started June month, I decided that I give myself proper time to learn this language, because I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to become fluent in English language. That's why I decided to give myself a proper time, and it was very difficult that time to make proper time to learn this language. But yeah, I give myself 6 months, and that time I thought, Alina, give yourself at least 6 months, at least till the December, to become proper fluent in this language. So yeah, I decided that time to give myself proper time to give myself if I wanted to become improvement in English, because that time I quit my job and I was fully focused on this language. I starting practicing by narrating my holding every single day. Yeah, I remember very clearly that every single day I practicing around 1 hour, yeah, yes, 1 hour. I narrating every single day, throughout the day, what is going on throughout the day. Yeah, I was narrating every single day. So I was narrating, yeah, and you can say I was you can watch my earlier video in this YouTube channel. Yeah, and I was recording myself in my house. Yeah, that time I was talking random things was going on in my mind that time. Yeah, I was just recording myself, and I didn't care about my mistakes. I don't care about grammatically things, and on the journey I have been learning so many things. Yeah, but how? I was learning so many things, but how? Was using Google Translate. Yeah, Google Translate. It's an application, kind of application. I was translate every word, every single word, and you can easily download it from Play Store, and download Google Translate, and throughout the day, whatever is going on in your house and in your mind, you can Google. You can translate every word, every sentence on Google Translate. Yes, it is very beneficial. I was recording myself. I was working at my house. Whatever was I doing that time, I was translating from Google Translate, and I was just speaking throughout the day that things, and I was translated Hindi to English. Now I don't care about translating. Actually, I mean, I don't need to translate any word or any sentence in Hindi to English, because I know everything, and in my mind I know about the word and sentences which whatever I want to say. Now I am speaking very clearly, and in my mind I am able to think in English, so I don't need that translation app. So whatever I was doing, I was recording myself. I was working at my house, and I was translating all the things that time. Yes, but yeah, I started translating all the things by Google. Yes, and now you are watching whatever you are doing, and whatever is going on in your life. You are doing job, or you are working somewhere, or you are doing business. You can translate everything in Google Translation. Yeah, like just convert whole things, like what is going on in your life. What you will say that you are watching videos, just translate and use Google Translation by the time. You think easily. Now I can give you a proper plan. What will you do for improving your speaking skills? At least for 3 months is enough. Give you a proper schedule to feel this that way. It's enough for 3 months. Yeah, I can learn this language. Yeah, you can say, right? And because you know what, learning this language is all practice. It doesn't about things. It doesn't that things learn grammatical practice or learn models. It all about your mindset. Yes. If I tell you one thing, you have to be passionate. Yes, my friend. Patience. To have patience, not about this language, but in your whole life. Yes, it is very important. Yes, my dear, patience is very important. You have to be patient. It's a long game, guys, not a short game. So give yourself proper time. Okay, my friend. 6 months or 1 year. So you have to be passionate. Yes, my friend. This is the one thing. The one thing is give yourself proper time, and the second thing is passionate. Yes, my friend, you have to be patient. And the third thing is that consistency. Yes, my friend, consistency is really important. Yes, my friend, if I can say consistent effort every single day, it is a life changer game. Yes, my friend, if you want to become successful, or if you want to become fluent in English, or if you want to learn new things, you have to put an effort every single day. You have to be consistent about that thing. Yes, my friend, it is very, very important. And one more thing, friend, don't push yourself. If you are learning this language, do it like a play. Yes, if you like do it like a play, it is not boring. Otherwise you would be definitely bored after a while if you pushed yourself, if you forcing yourself. So my friend, three things are important. Give yourself proper time, the one thing, and the second thing is make proper schedule to learn this language. Okay my friend, make proper schedule around 3 months to learn this language, or 6 months. Yes, it is important. So first thing, just start basic things about learning this language. Just start grammatical things, basic grammatical. Okay, because my friend, tense is everything. When you start speaking, it's all around going through a tense. If you are making some words or some sentences, you have to be practice basic grammatical things like tenses, like modal verbs. And first things, start basically grammatical things. Okay, start learning basic grammatical things. Okay, when you start speaking, just think about it. Okay, what is the time period of speaking about? Okay my friend, like if you speaking about past life or your school days life, you should use past sentences. Okay my friend, and if you is speaking like future life, like what will you do in your future life, you will be speak in future tense. Okay, you should speak future tense. Whatever that time, you should use future tense. Okay my friend, because tense is everything. Make a note about tenses. Okay my friend, every tense you should know. And yeah, modals also, you can learn modals. Modals are important. Sentences are important. Like basic grammar is important while you speaking about your past days, your present time, or either future time. You can speak whatever you want to speak. Just you have to learn about basic grammar, like tenses, like modal verbs. Okay, should, would, could, should have, would have, could have. These are important. Okay my friend, these are really important, must, may. Okay my friend, by the time when you are continuously practicing, when you practice, you are eventually know what is time and what is speaking about. Okay my friend, you should more improve. So first thing is learn about tenses and modal verbs. Okay, then practice these tenses and modal verbs every day. Okay my friend, okay, continuously practicing every single day. You have to practice every single day about what is in your mind. And this is enough. Maybe in your first month or first 2 months, at the beginning, this is enough. Might be who I'm telling you made me this comfortable today, because I didn't care, and I don't even care. Even today I make videos and I don't care about making mistakes like that. I am content creator, I can say. So my friend, first thing, you should be kind and be human. Take everything positive. Okay, think positive and be positive. In learning process, you have to be positive. Okay my friend, so my friend, you have to be passionate about learning this language. Okay, practice consistency, practice every tense or every modals verb every single day. Okay my friend, and you should practice all kind of things. And whatever you are doing, whatever is going on in your life, you have to you should practice all kind of things. Okay my friend, so no need to too much worry about that, about speaking and about learning this language. Just focus on your practicing. Just focus on your goal. Okay my friend, first 2 months just practice and continuously practice. Okay my friend, you should practice. Okay my friend, and the other thing, when you have learned all tenses and modal verbs, you have to be narrative. Just narrative your lines, just narrate. Okay, I know you are already know about these things, but the thing is really important. Consistency. Yes my friend, consistency is really important. Every single day you just have practice 10 minutes or 15 minutes, each tenses, each verb. So my friend, that's all I had to share with you. If you are find this video beneficial, please subscribe, like. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.